Let's be honest. Easter parties sound fun until you're the one hosting. You want it to feel festive, but not childish. Beautiful, but not stressful. And memorable. Without spending the entire day in the kitchen. That's where the right ideas change everything. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, I'm sharing the best Easter party ideas and ideas for Easter brunch that actually work, whether you're hosting family, friends, or adults only. You'll see easy Easter party decoration ideas that instantly set the mood. Simple but stylish Easter party ideas for adults. Crowd-pleasing Easter party food ideas that don't take all day. Smart Easter food ideas for party hosting, and thoughtful Easter hostess gift ideas guests will love. Whether you're planning a casual Easter brunch or a full Easter celebration, these ideas will help you host with confidence and actually enjoy the day. Let's start with the foundation of every great Easter party, the atmosphere. Why are Easter party ideas so popular for spring entertaining? Easter celebrates renewal, food, and togetherness. Thoughtful Easter party ideas make spring gatherings feel warm and joyful. What makes a great Easter party set up? A welcoming space, seasonal decor, and good food. The best Easter party ideas balance beauty and simplicity. If you love hosting ideas, hit like and share this video with someone planning an Easter gathering. What are the best ideas for Easter brunch at home? Light dishes, spring decor, and relaxed seating. These ideas for Easter brunch feel elegant without being formal. How do Easter brunch ideas differ from dinner parties? Brunch is lighter, brighter, and more casual. Successful ideas for Easter brunch focus on comfort and conversation. Are you hosting Easter brunch or an afternoon party this year? Tell me below. What Easter party decorations ideas create a festive atmosphere? Florals, eggs, bunnies, and pastel accents. These Easter party decorations ideas instantly set the tone. How do I decorate an Easter party space without overdoing it? Choose a color palette and repeat it. Simple Easter party decorations ideas look more polished. For more Easter decor and hosting inspiration, check out the playlist in the description. What Easter party ideas for adults feel elegant? Neutral decor, florals, and elevated tableware. Easter party ideas for adults focus on style and comfort. How do I make an Easter party feel grown up, but still festive? Use subtle Easter accents with classic decor. Balanced Easter party ideas for adults feel sophisticated. Love seasonal entertaining ideas? Subscribe for weekly inspiration. What Easter party food ideas are crowd pleasers? Deviled eggs, pastries, fresh fruit, and casseroles. These Easter party food ideas are easy and satisfying. What Easter food ideas for party setups are easy to prep ahead? Bake ahead dishes and simple desserts. Smart Easter food ideas for party hosting. Reduce stress. For more holiday food and entertaining ideas, check the related videos below. How do I plan Easter party food ideas for different diets? Offer a mix of light, vegetarian, and classic options. Flexible Easter party food ideas. Keep everyone happy. What serving style works best for Easter brunch parties? Buffet style or family style serving? Casual setups work best for ideas for Easter brunch. What Easter hostess gift ideas are thoughtful but simple? Flowers, candles, baked goods, or spring decor? These Easter hostess gift ideas feel personal and kind. How can guests contribute to an Easter party politely? Bring a dish, dessert, or small gift. Sharing makes Easter party ideas is even more special. What's the easiest way to host a stress-free Easter party? Plan ahead and keep it simple. Relaxed Easter party ideas always feel more enjoyable. And that's it. 15 Easter party ideas to help you host a beautiful and memorable celebration. From stylish ideas for Easter brunch and elegant decor to crowd-pleasing food and thoughtful hostess gifts, Easter entertaining is all about connection and joy. Whether you're hosting adults, family, or friends, these Easter party decorations ideas and food tips prove that you don't need perfection, just thoughtful details and good company. Are you hosting Easter brunch or attending as a guest this year? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal entertaining and home decor inspiration. Happy Easter!